Hello people, welcome to my channel. Today I am reacting to Luxembourg, Eva Marija, Mother Nature, and on this channel I am doing music reaction, and lately I am doing Eurovision song reaction mostly, or just them until I do every single country. So make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss all those reactions. Let's see what Luxembourg have for us in store. I just hope this is not a ballad. I don't like that much ballads.
From the start,
Nice visuals. I love this.
when all was fun and games, wasn't hard, but all good things can end.
So I would guess this is song about the nature.
Back when I was younger, I planted a seed under the moonlight, and even when there's thunder, I go back when I wonder, who am I? From the ground to my skin, as I'm howling at the wind, in my roots, in the mud, and I lean my head back, let it out, let it in, letting go of all my sins, in my roots, in the mud, and I lean my head back. Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows.
Okay, until now, the part that I like the most is staging, those visual effects. It was like when you plant something and it grows, and it shows like, I don't know, like tree when it grows from the ground. And song is okay, is interesting. I don't think it is a ballad, which is good. I don't like ballads. It doesn't bother me. It's okay. So let's continue.
I know that Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows.
Yes, she looks great.
Mother Nature, she knows. See the leaves, how they grow back again, and I hear and learn to love myself again. Even when there's thunder, oh, I don't have to wonder, who am I?
I like her expression. She is joyful and she's smiling, and that is really important when you perform.
From the ground to my skin, as I'm howling at the wind, in my roots, in the mud, and I lean my head back, let it out, let it in, letting go of all my sins, in my roots, in the mud, and I lean my head back. Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows. I know that Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she
When they pull up some instrument like this, like a violin, I always wonder, do they actually know to play it, or it is just visual effect? Someone write me down in the comments, does she really knows to play violin? Judging by the moves, it looks to me like she knows to play it.
Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows.
What is this at the end?
Mother Nature, she knows.
Okay, this was strange. She did like some LED lighting, and in crowd is whoa, overreacting from the crowd. Okay, but let me give you my opinion about the song. I think it is average lemonade song that we get a lot on Eurovision. So to song I think average, but I liked the performance. I liked the staging, her performance, her looks, and vibes. But the most that I liked is staging. Staging was great. And at the moment I would probably put her in top 15 place. I have reaction on my channel before, and I have Montenegro and Moldova on top 10. This is top 15, so make sure to check out my channel and see those reactions too. And while are you at it, feel free to subscribe to my channel if you like to watch Eurovision Song Contest reaction, and I gonna see you in the next one. Bye bye.